Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how we can reset or change Facebook password if you forget it. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Tap Facebook. Then tap menu. Then scroll down. Settings and privacy. Tap settings. See more in account center. Password and security. Change password. Select your profile. For example, I forgot my current password. Just tap forgot your password. Get a code to log in by the given emails. Select it. Continue. A code sent to my email. Now just check your email. I got the code. That is the code. Continue. Yes. Now you can create a new password. Let's do it. Log me out. No, just next. That's all. Have a nice time.